Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here today, taking a slow walk down Avenida Mediterraneo. Going to take a look at the beautiful Fantasia Fairground and Arcade, as well as the bowling alley. What you seeing? Temperature, it is 39 degrees, so as you imagine it is very hot, but of course I'm probably bullshitting, so yeah. Let's just say it's 6 foot of snow and I am skiing. Let's go with that today, shall we? Got Calisio behind Dad's big head. There we are, Calisio Pizzeria. Before I forget, just kind of want to mention something. Reason I go out filming with Mum and Dad isn't because they hold my hand. It's actually because if we do bump into anyone who recognises us, we don't look an ignorant sod by just walking past. Like the person with us could go talk while the other person films the video. And that being said, guys, I think a few certain people should remember I am a black belt first dan in a Japanese martial arts. So yeah, if I get into a bit of bother, don't worry, I can sort myself out. Oh, Fantasia Fairground shut. Cafe shut, bar shut, even the fairground shut. So I'm not sure whether that is because the Spanish kids over here have gone back to school or what, but it is shut. Of course, they do have the arcade which is open. Brilliant arcade, guys. They do a card for the Euro as well, where when you win tickets on ticket machines, you cannot scan all the card. You can count your tickets up, scan your card, and they get added to your card. Not only that, the card grants you exclusive discounts on all different machines, which, I mean, who doesn't like a bargain? Like, you can be playing a machine for €1, you scan your little Fantasia card and you're playing on it for 90 cents. You've also got Ozone Bowling just there as well. I do believe that's a different company to Fantasia. Then just over the road is the beer house. Up that little alleyway up the side there apparently is Pepe's bar. Has anyone been Pepe's bar? Like, comment down below if you have. It's meant to be like a little sort of dance bar in there, so sounds pretty entertaining. then of course we got the Hotel Bellboy right here on Avenida Meditterano. I almost forgot Hotel Ajay Springs, part of the Med Player group. I forgot about that. We are coming up to the big roundabout now. Basically, if you go up the hill, that's Avenida de Europa. As you all know, you go back that way, you're going towards town. You go straight on, you are of course heading towards the Rincon end, or you just head down here, down past Hotel Simple. You are coming on to the beautiful Atlantic seafront. Now I'm not sure where to cross over today, whether to do what I usually do and cross there or take advantage of the traffic lights, because I mean, I know how crazy the drivers are around here. I think it's a mad day. Okay, that's far across. Oh, he's calling us. Anyway, you've got the Bulldog over there, and as you probably know, there's a fountain next to it, which today's not on. Weird. Usually on.
No water.
Actually, no. That could be quite a good point. Maybe it has run out of water, because I mean it is getting a lot hotter over here, so yeah, maybe it's run out of water. Homeless bloke just there, now took up car park attendant. Suppose it's another way of conning people out of money. Oh, it's the miracle worker as well. Makes that he's crippled, but as you can see there, he's walking perfectly fine, guys. So, that's another one of the lying homeless here in Benidorm. Yeah, he has like a crutch about a foot high. He bends over quite low, and trust me guys, as you've just seen, there's nothing wrong with him.
What's that backache today?
I mean, we've even seen him try to steal people's wheelchairs or like their crutches while they're sat in the bar drinking, because he's trying to update his act, because I think he's finally realising quite a lot of people can see through his bullshit. Anyway, gonna cross over, turn round and show you what's on the corner, then finish my video. So here of course you do have the famous Tony Roma's, not Tony Roma's American Ribs, Miami, 1972. So yeah, let me know if you've been in there and if it is well worth the money. I know the last thing we heard is there is actually quite a long wait to get food in there, so Does that sort of put you off going in there?
That guy's only been in there since Christmas.
Anyway, guys, comment down below what you think. Hit the like as well. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.